Passes to number 15. Number 3, Luna. Passes to Carmen. Carmen looking for his teammate. Passes to number 15, Reyes. Won't go. Rebound by number 29. Number 29, Lupendo. Dribbling the ball. Passes to number 18. Passes to number 10. Number 10, with the behind pass coming from number 10. For 3, won't go. Lagos number 9. Has scored for 2 points. Ruiz dribbling the ball. Passes to number 15, Solano. Solano takes the charge, goes goal. The same ball possession. 9-second shot clock. Number 15, Solano. Number 3 for the recovery, takes the shot, won't go. And number 29 for the rebound, pass break to number 9, Lagos. Good for 2 points. 6-3.